YouTube loves to copyright my music, so I'm gonna make my own. Hope y'all like the video. Hey beautifuls, it's Ashley Desires, and I'll be showing you how I did this bonding install on my beautiful client using hair from Beautiful Desires. This is our Desire Wave, aka Body Wave, in inches 22, 24, and 26. So for each bonding install, I love to protect my client's hair using paper towel and a stocking cap. I use paper towel because I feel like paper towel is very thick and so that the glue will not get onto my client's hair. So right now, as you see, I'm adding the bonding glue and spritz, and I'll be blow drying the tracks just to make sure that they are sticking to that stocking cap and there won't be any slipping. So I want to brush out the curls, well, the waves, because when I am curling it, I don't want any waves in between the curls, making sure that this hair is blown out completely. You could use a blow dryer, but if you don't want to, you don't have to. I'm going to frame her face by cutting the front of the hair with a razor comb. I feel like razor combs are very effective when doing this. And I'm going to do this on both sides. As you saw in the beginning of this clip, she had like this Kim K pretty curled look. So I'm also going to be cutting the different layers in her hair when I'm curling because I want to make sure that the curls do last long. I'm going to be doing pin curls to achieve this look. So I'm using a curling iron and then I'm going to pin them and let them set while I am straightening out her leave out. So just watch me work. Funny thing about this install is we were just going to keep it the regular Desire Wave and just, do that. But I liked how she did her makeup, and her Landy is so beautiful. So I was like, you know what? We never did curls on her before. So let's do this install. And it just came out so beautiful, and I loved it so much. So now that I am done with curling her hair, I'm going to start straightening her leave out. So with my client's leave out, I love to use She Is Bomb wax stick. Any type of wax stick is good. And a hot comb straightener, and sometimes either spritz or got to be spray, depending on how their hair reacts to either or. So with the wax stick, I like to spread it more onto the roots of her hair, and then I spread it a little bit to the ends of her hair so it's not too greasy and it still has that natural look. With the hot comb, I get right into those roots to straighten it out, and then I'm going to use a straightener to straighten out the rest of her hair because I believe Nerlandy is like a little bit natural, and most of my clients are natural, so I kind of do the same process for all of them depending on how their hair reacts to what I'm doing. If you are ever interested in booking with me, you can click the link in my description box, and I have Hair Plus install package deals. And if you are ever interested in ordering hair from Beautiful Desires, the link is in my description box as well. So now it is time to take these pin curls out and look at all that luster on this hair. And I haven't even added anything to it. So this quality of hair I sell is literally A1. When combing out curls, some people like to use their fingers, but I love to use a wide tooth comb. I feel like it's more effective and I can move the curls to where I want to have them. Now you're wondering, what are you going to do with the top of her hair? We're going to brush it out, comb it out, and we're going to make sure that it blends in well with her bundles. The luster with her hair and the luster of the bundles just blends in very well. And right now I'm just combing it out, and then I'm going to set it with spritz, but not too much because you don't want it to be hard. You just want it to be set in because Florida sun is no joke. But I can't wait for you all to see her reaction.
Ooh, that's cute on you.
What? I feel like a new person.
That is so cute on you.
I never felt like this before. I feel this is hands down the best hairstyle I've ever had so far. Wait, what? I feel like I shouldn't be cooped up in the house tonight.
Oh my gosh.
Please stop.
My client Nerlandi is so beautiful, and this install is very, very gorgeous on her. Thank you all for watching so much. Remember, if you want to book with me or shop with me, you can do so by clicking the link in my description box. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share, and follow me on Instagram at Beautiful Desires and at Beautiful Desires Hair. And I'll see you all at my next one. All right, bye.